Gourmet Truffle. Here are the ingredients for one serving. Make ganache. Chop the chocolate. Pour heavy cream in a pot and heat. Remove from heat once it starts boiling. Add in milk chocolate and gently mix with a whisk. If it doesn't mix all the way, place in hot water. If you like, add in rum, orange liquor, and mix until smooth. Place ice water on the bottom of the bowl and mix with whisk until smooth. Place 10-gram pieces and wrap. Cool for 30 minutes to an hour in the fridge. Tempering. Place on hot water and mix until smooth. Place in ice water 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and mix until the chocolate is 26 to 27 degrees Celsius. Place in hot water again and raise to 30 degrees Celsius. 31 degrees Celsius for dark chocolate. Remove wrap from the ganache and roll. Take the coating chocolate on your hands and spread. Once the surface starts to harden, place on a fork and dip in the chocolate. Place on cake cooler net. Once it starts to harden, roll to smoothen. Do not smoothen out half of it and place framboise on top. Cool in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Serve. Gourmet Truffle. Again, here are the ingredients for one serving.